everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 23rd to the 27th of December 2024 on Monday. MAMZOBE has full reign over NDLOVU's life and sent his home into a pandemonium. The Sebenzele tells Ntombi they are caught in a crossfire that has nothing to do with them. Mabusi loses her powers on Tuesday. Difa cannot believe his eyes when he finds NDLOVU clenches into MAMZOBE's feet. Mabusi's patient return in a more critical condition than before. Manzimande refuses to give Sebenzele her blessings on Wednesday. Mthembu accuses Sepamandla of failing in his duties. Uciya stares down evil's Busiso. The Sebenzele's premarital wars comes to a head on this day. Difa confronts MAMZOBE about NDLOVU kneeling for her. Sepamandla makes a promise to Mthembu that one that might be difficult to execute on Friday. NDLOVU humiliates his wives in public. Matimba compliments Jabu to spite Gabi. Spa and Mabusi make a grand entrance at Kulegani's church. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.